everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2025 Tumble the Troll. Alright guys, so this thing has been made fun of for being like Shrek. So yeah, it is a troll. I think this is a great animatronic. I'm trying not to buy as many recently, but I could not pass this thing up. There's a couple more coming to the channel soon, so get excited for those. Alright, so opening this box, the first thing I am seeing is his stomach. Which I think this is latex. That's very interesting. Yeah, I think this is like his whole body area. And look at that. Keep off, do not climb or sit. Gonna keep that on there. Wow, I can't believe they would do this out of latex. Now the body's gonna dry rot. Here, I believe, is like his top area, this like hair around. This looks like almost like another shirt. Here is 2 feet. The proportions on this guy are absolutely insane. These are gigantic. Like, I don't even know what to say. I hope you can see that on video, how gigantic these feet are. And they're very glossy too. They look really, really nice. They look like a troll's feet. Here's this giant spiky, pokey thing. It's like axe. I don't know what to call this really. There's a word for it. I don't remember what it is. But yeah, this is pretty ginormous too. And here is his head. Very detailed, but it does feel like it's gonna dry rot. This is all latex. Very cool. Very, very cool looking. I love this thing's head. This guy is, I cannot wait to see this thing assembled. It's gonna be huge. So here is part of his mechanism, and the control box here, I see like some thing right here. I think this is actually the adapter port. It is a waterproof connection, so this guy may or may not be outdoor rated. He probably isn't, but technically really is. Wow. It looks well built though. These welds look pretty good. And there's like huge bearings around here. Wow. Here's some forms. They definitely look like legs, but they could be arms. I'm definitely gonna have to read the instructions on these. Here are the 2 hands. So one holds one side of the giant sword thing I showed you guys, and the other hand holds the other side. These are, God, I really cannot wait to see this thing. Wow, I can't even speak. These are huge. Wow, and here is the rest of the mechanism. Huge spring, and another thing, I believe this moves the arms. Looks like cardboard. Nope, that is foam right there. And this does the rest of the body. Wow, I can't with this. Here's some leg foam to fill out the legs even more than they already are. In here comes the rest of everything. Everything else is zip tied together, except this. This is a hip loop. Looks honestly pretty small compared to the rest of the body. And right here, there are 2 leg poles and the absolutely ginormous base. There's some nice supports on here just in case the welds don't work. But yeah, it is actually 2 bases put into one, and they're already put together, which is interesting. I would have rather them do a smaller box and keep them apart, but I don't know, it's all right. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup.
escapes me. Me, the best hunter in this forest. You can hide as long as you want. Me will have fun finding you. Me hear you. Little footsteps running from me. You can't outrun me. Me always catch my dinner. Me can smell your terror. And me thinks you're right here. Oh, missed. When me find you, me won't miss again. Who dares enter my forest? Me will crush you! Hungry! So very hungry! What do you have? Candy? Give it to me! I want it right now!
All right, guys, so that was Tumble the Troll from Home Depot. This guy is a very cool animatronic, especially with how tall he is. He's 8 feet tall, and he looks a lot taller, honestly. He looks like 8.5, maybe even 9. And for $250, I think that is a great deal for this guy. I think you're getting a lot of motion, and I think his quality will hold up over time. He has 5 sayings, so you're not just getting one. And the sayings are pretty long, so you shouldn't get too annoyed on Halloween night, although they are very similar sayings, so we'll just have to see. But this guy is a very cool animatronic in my opinion, and I think if you want him, you should definitely pick him up. And I do believe this is gonna be one of the first Home Depot props to sell out this season, so I would say get him sooner than later, because once he's gone for the season. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase this guy. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.